Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. More than 43.80 lakh voters in Karnataka are set to receive notices as the state enters the second phase of the special intensive revision of electoral rolls. The CEO's office said 24.05 lakh of these voters are from Bengaluru's 4 districts. Another 20.35 lakh voters have been flagged under the logical discrepancies category. The notices will be issued by booth level officers or BLOs. The discrepancies include unusual age gaps between parents and children or voters and grandparents, different fathers' names in SIR records, sibling gaps of less than 9 months, and more than 6 children mapped to one parent. Karnataka has around 5.54 crore voters covered under the current exercise. Of these, 1.07 crore have been excluded from the draft rolls under the ASDDO category, that is absent, shifted, dead, duplicate and other classifications. This leaves around 4.46 crore voters in the active base. The draft electoral rolls are scheduled to be published on August 24th.